With summer just months away, Larson Electronics can help you leverage the power of the sun at your facility with our complete solar solutions. We offer mobile solar light towers on trailers, portable solar camera systems on trailers, heavy-duty solar panels, battery packs, backup generators for solar equipment, solar charge controllers, solar inverters and transfer switches, solar-rated transformers, and more. Our plug-and-play solar systems make installation quick by ensuring all components are compatible and ready for maximum performance. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.